The third lesson is solving two equations in two variables. One of them is the first degree and the other is a second degree. Since there exists equation of degree 2, then the solution set contains two or more, two or one solution or empty set. عندنا اتنين equations، واحدة first degree والتانية second degree. عشان واحدة منهم second degree يبقى solution set هتبقى contains two or one or empty set. In number one, find in R the solution R by R solution set of the following two equations: y minus x equals 3 and x squared plus xy equal 5. From the first equation, we find value for x or y. Y minus x equals 3, y equals 3 plus x. دايما من equation of the first degree نطلع value ل y or x. In this equation, y equals 3 plus x. Substituting it in equation of degree 2, x squared plus x, and instead of y you put 3 plus x equal 5. Simplify this equation: x squared plus x by 3 is 3x, x by x squared minus 5. Add the like term, 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 equals 0. Factorize 2x plus 5, x minus 1 equals 0. So 2x plus 5 equals 0, which means that x equal negative 5 over 2. And substituting in 1, we find that y equal 1 over 2. The second value for x equal minus 1 equals 0, which means that x equal 1. And substitute in 1, y equal 4. Solution contains x and y. Solution contains x and y. So the solution set must be written as set of ordered pairs. So the solution set negative 5 over 2, 1 over 2, and 1, 4. In number 2, find the solution set of the following two equations: x minus y equal 1, this is the first degree; x squared plus y squared equals 13, this is the second degree. From the first degree, we find the value for x or y. X minus y equal 1, which means that x equal y plus y. X equal 1 plus y. Substitute the value of x in equation of degree 2. We find that 1 plus y all squared plus y squared equals 13. Simplify this equation: 1 plus 2y plus y squared is the bracket plus y squared minus 13 equals 0. Add the like term: 2y squared plus 2y minus 12 equals 0. Divide by 2 each term. Y squared plus y minus 6 equals 0. Factorize it: y minus 2, y plus 3 equals 0, which means that y minus 2 equals 0, y equal 2, or y plus 3 equals 0, which means y equal negative 3. Substitute for each value of y to find the corresponding value for x. At y equal 2, then x equals 3. At y equal negative 3, then x equal negative 2. So the solution set of ordered pairs 3 و 2 and negative 2 negative 3. نفكركم بس الاوردر بير لازم يكون الاكس كوردينيت والواي كوردينيت. الفيرست فاليو اكس والسكند فاليو بتكون واي. Some applications for this lesson. Example 1. If the sum of two real numbers is 7 and the difference between their squares, find the two numbers. Let the greatest number be x and the smallest be y. So sum of two numbers is 7, which means that x plus y equal 7. And the difference between two squares also is 7. X squared minus y squared equal 7. From number 1, we find the value for x and or y. We find x equal 7 and y. Substitute it in number 2. 7 minus y squared equal 7. Simplify this bracket. 49 minus 14y plus y squared minus y squared equal 7 plus y squared minus y squared equal 0, which means that negative 14y equals 7 minus 49. Negative 14y equal negative 42. Y equal negative 42 over negative 14, which is equal to 3. Substitute the value of y in equation 3. X equals 7 minus y. X equals 7 minus 3, which means that x equal 4. So the two numbers are 4 with 3. In applications ما نكتبش solution set of ordered pairs. In number 2, the product of two real numbers is 2. If the greatest is added to twice the smallest, the result will be 4. Find the two numbers. The product of two real numbers is 2. Let the smallest 4 and the greatest, the smallest x and the greatest y. The product of two real numbers is 2, which means that x multiplied by y equal 2. And the second statement, the greatest, which is y, added 2 plus twice the smallest. Twice, it means that 2 times 2y. Twice the smallest, 2 by x, which is 2x equal 4. By the same way, from equation 2, if we find value of y or x, y equal 4 minus 2x, substitute it in number 1. X multiplied by y mean x multiplied by 4 minus 2x equal 2. Simplify this equation and put it in general form. Divide each term by 2 and factorize it. X minus y, x minus 1 all squared equal 0. نفكركم بس انه اي expression له power equal 0, الاكسبريشن نفسه equal 0, which means that x equal 1. Substitute in equation number 3. Y equal 4 minus 2 by 1, y equal 2. The two numbers are 1 and 2. Example 3, the perimeter of rectangle is 24 and its area is 20. Find its dimensions. Dimensions means the length and the width. Let the two dimensions of the rectangle x and y. The perimeter is 24 means 2 by x plus y equal 24, which means x plus y equal 12. And the area is 20, which means that x by y equal 20. This is the first equation, linear. This is the second equation, quadratic. From 1, we find the value for x and y. Say x equal 12 and y. We substitute the value of x in equation 2. 12y minus y by y equal 20, simplify and factorize it, y minus 10 equals 0, y minus 2 equals 0, which means that y minus 10 equals 0, y equal 10, or y minus 2 equals 0, y equal 2. Substitute to find the value of x. At y equal 10, then x equal 2. At y equal 2, then x equal 10. Then the two dimensions of rectangle are 10 and 2.